Hello, what is your name?
My name is Irene Ariola Mobadilla.
How old are you?
I'm 31 years old.
What is your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Single. No.
You have kids?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong for 8 years. 8 years and 4 months.
Okay, do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
I work 3 years and 4 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Potan.
How many square feet of your employer's
700.
house? How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
The 2 is 8 and 11.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up 6 o'clock, prepare the breakfast of mom, the 2 kids, and then after that, at 7 o'clock, I need to go to City 1 to send the boy. And then after that, City 1, when I just go to the market at around 8 o'clock something, and then I need to go home because I need to car wash in the morning. And then after that, my sir will come 10 o'clock. I need to prepare the breakfast of my sir, and then sir will go take shower. After my sir taking shower, I need to prepare the breakfast. And then when sir is finished already, and then serve the breakfast, and then sir will go to sleep. And then I need to cook the lunch for the baby, for the kids. I need to send it again to the City 1. It's around 12 o'clock, and then I need to go back home. It's 1 o'clock, and then 1 o'clock my mom will come at home. 2 o'clock and something like that, and then 1 o'clock I need to clean the house, everything. I needed to finish it 2:30.
Okay, so do you go market?
Yes, I go market.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook for the dinner. It's because it depends upon my boss.
Okay.
If my boss is 7 o'clock go home, I will cook for my boss.
Okay.
If for my mom needs, sometimes I cook for 10 o'clock. And then they have a different dinner. Sometimes only we eat together, but mostly it's not.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Sometimes I go to bed 11
Okay.
or 12 after all my work.
Okay,
Finish all my work.
thank you so much.